Hello, welcome to Château Castera. Château Castera belongs to the Press family since 1996, and Thomas Press is representing the second generation. So we own 80 hectares of vineyard, certified HVE3, which is the highest level of certification. Château Castera is now recognized Cru Bourgeois Supérieur since vintage 2018. Vatel Bordeaux is training international hospitality manager with additional specialization in wines and spirits. So here at Castera, welcoming guests is in our DNA. So of course we have wine tourism activity starting in April with a big activity, of course, during the summertime, July and August. We recruit partners for this high period of activity, I mean June, July and August, to welcome people in the best way. We recruit people who are able to welcome people in English or German. We try to develop our wine tourism activity with different proposals. Our latest one is the escape game in the tower, so dating back from the 14th century. So it's really nice activity for foreigners. Of course, our aim is to propose other activities, as it's a way for us to promote our estate and of course our brand, Château Castera. As a partner of Vatel, Château Castera is really happy to welcome all the students of Vatel for a visit and of course a tasting of our wines. So please be free to come and we'll be happy to welcome you.